Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here this evening at RSPB Bempton Cliffs. I've just arrived for a short break near Flamborough. Got unpacked, had my dinner, the sun is shining and I couldn't resist. It's about 3 miles from here where I'm staying. Shall I, shan't I? And in the end I did. And within seconds of getting here, I've seen some swallows really close up. Staying down there somewhere towards Flamborough Head. Anyway, I'm not going to chat too much. I'm just going to have a little wander. If you don't know Bempton, it's on the Flamborough headland, which is a chalk headland, and it's the same chalk that's at the White Cliffs of Dover. Runs the entire length of the country. I think it goes underground for quite a lot of the way. It's just where it comes out and meets the sea here and at Dover. So of course I've come to see if I can see the puffins. And I think there must be some there. Well, I'm hoping there is. There's a lot of people looking over the edge of the cliffs. Oh, you can smell the sea. It's fabulous. It was about 16 earlier. King Charles III, England, coast path, Flamborough 3¼ miles, Speeton 3½. This is the reserve, and then the car park and the visitor centre is up there. It's stunning. I did walk this coast a few years ago. The Yorkshire coast, my dad always told me, was 100 miles long. Went from the mouth of the River Tees to the mouth of the River Humber. Wow. And I always wanted to walk it, so about 10 years ago, caught the train to Redcar. I'm going to try and repeat it. Got the train to Redcar. Walked out to the mouth, to the estuary, to the mouth of the Tees, a place called South Gay. It's on the south bank, and then set off walking. Got as far as Filey in a week, which is about 8 miles in the direction we're going. Behind me is about another 45 miles of coastline until the mouth of the Humber. So I'm going to do it again, because there's nothing beats walking with the sea. To one side. I have to keep the chat to a minimum though, because there's lots of bird watchers around. They call this the golden hour. I'm not out at this time very often. I tend to get up really early. I don't know if I've said it already, but I think if I lived here, I'd be up at this time much more often. Or out at this time, I should say. Gannet there. A fabulous, fabulous evening. Huh. And the old World War II gun emplacements up here, all along the coast. Sun's going down now. Back at the visitor centre, guys. Hope you've enjoyed my little walk around Bempton. I think I might come again tomorrow night. If you have enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up and do consider subscribing if you like this or any of the other content that I post. But until the next time, I'll say cheerio.